All right, so another thing I want to show is an optional cup holder that you can get. So this is the screwdriver that comes in the toolkit that you'll receive with the model that you would receive. Like, there's a toolkit that comes with every ComfyGo chair, which is really nice. And you use the flathead portion. This actually can be switched to Phillips or flathead, but you want to switch it to the flathead so you can pop off this cap. There we go, I got it. So now I got the cap off, and by the way, if you want to switch the joystick to the left side, this is what you would do. Pop this off, and it's easy to fish the wire on the other side, put it on here. So once you've done that, here's what you're going to get with the cup holder. You have a little bracket that just installs here. And I'm going to loosen the screw so I can get this in completely. There we go. So now it's in. Now I'm going to tighten it. All right, so once you've done that, this is going to clamp to here. So once I clamp it, you want to hold that in place, and you want to turn this so it tightens. Maybe one less turn. There we go. So now you got your cup holder on. It also has this little screw, but you're not going to need that because you have the screw that comes with it as standard, but they do send this to you as well. Another thing that I want to point out is the way I have this installed. Now this rotates, so I could have it installed this way, but this is going to stick out. So I think it's better to have this part of this screw to stick out to the side so it's not going to poke you. But now we got the cup holder.